It's just 50 days away from the opening of the third edition of CIE. The holding of CIE as scheduled sends a clear signal to the whole world, a signal that China has recovered from the COVID-19 epidemic. It also shows China's determination to play a significant role in fueling global development with openness and a spirit of mutual benefit. CIE capitalizes on the opportunities created by our increasingly interconnected world. Enhancing China's relationship with the rest of the world not only promotes trade and collaboration, it stimulates the innovation that is essential to improving consumer quality of life and tackling global challenges. In a world today where difference is often emphasized, CIE offers a valuable platform for all participating countries and corporations to embrace diversity and explore together how we can create and share a brighter future. China poised to share a brighter future with the world. During our 23 years in China, L'Oréal has witnessed its growth into an epicenter of technology and innovation. And we sincerely invite you to join us in exploring and sharing infinite opportunities in China, with China, and with the world at CIE.